Indian authorities have moved to attach the campus of Al Falah University in Faridabad, Haryana under the Draconian Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA), in what observers say forms part of a broader pattern of targeting Muslim-run educational institutions under the pretext of legal and financial irregularities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Enforcement Directorate (ED) is investigating whether funds for the university constructions were allegedly sourced from proceeds of crime. Al Falah Group chairman Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui was arrested by the ED in November, with officials claiming that the university lacked valid accreditations for its courses. The agencies identifying and valuing movable and immovable assets of the Al Falah Trust, which owns the university and affiliated institutions, to prevent alleged proceeds of crime from being sold or dissipated. A government-appointed receiver may take over campus administration. The university became a focus of Indian agencies following the November 10 Red Fort blast, in which Umar Nabi, a doctor at Al Falah Medical College, is accused of carrying out the attack. However, the agencies they have no solid proof to sustain the allegation. Observer says the crackdown reflects Indian broader agenda of targeting Muslim-run educational and social institutions, aiming to weaken voices which are advocating for minorities' rights and suppress Muslim empowerment. Critics they further warned that such measures carried out in the guise of regularity or legal enforcement deepen insecurity among minority communities and further risk undermining education and livelihoods.